Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says that during inspiration, how does alveolar pressure compare to atmospheric pressure? So the question is asking about during the inspiration process. So there are two processes that is during expiration and during inspiration. So first of all, expiration process. Expiration. During expiration, that is the intra-alveolar pressure is greater than the atmospheric pressure. The intra-alveolar pressure, this is greater than the atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. And when the diaphragm contract, and at that time when the diaphragm contracts, the intra-alveolar pressure decreases. At that time, the intra-alveolar pressure decreases at that time. And as the intercostal muscle relaxes, at that time intercostal muscle relaxes. Intercostal muscle relaxes and thoracic cavity becomes smaller. Thoracic cavity, this becomes smaller. And intra-alveolar, at that time intra-alveolar pressure is increased. And in case of inspiration, how does the alveolar pressure compare? So during inspiration, the diaphragm contract. So during inspiration, the diaphragm contracts and the thoracic cavity increases in volume. Thoracic cavity increases in volume. And the decrease in the intra-alveolar pressure. So at that time intra-alveolar pressure decreases. So for that, air flows into the lungs. So which one of the following is correct? First one is given that alveolar pressure is greater than the atmospheric pressure. No, the intra-alveolar pressure decreases during inspiration and this is increases during the expiration. So this one is wrong here. Alveolar, then B is given that alveolar pressure is less in atmosphere. So this alveolar pressure is less in atmosphere. So this one is the correct answer. And alveolar pressure is same as atmospheric pressure. This is wrong here. Alveolar pressure is one of the few pressure which reference pressure is not atmospheric. This one is also wrong because during the inspiration process, alveolar pressure compared to atmospheric pressure, this alveolar pressure is decreases, is less than the atmospheric pressure. This is found in the inspiration process, and the opposite case is found in seen in the expiration process. I hope you understood it. Best of luck.